Hey everybody, Mr. Bowman here. In this video we're looking at 2.7 calculus and we're focusing on the achieved questions for the 2023 exam. This exam was a bit weird. Question number 28 was actually the only achieved question here. The rest of them were all merit and excellence. That meant you had to get into the merit and excellence, start that off a little bit correctly to get your achieved marks. So let's get into this one. So we've been given a function. We've been told the gradient is equal to 4 and we've been asked to find the point. So by finding the point we need the x and the y, the coordinate for when the gradient would have been equal to 4. So let's jot down my original function. So fx is going to be equal to 4x squared minus 12x. That's from the question. I now need to differentiate. So f dash x will be equal to, we differentiate by doing the coefficient times the power. So that's going to become 8x. Remember, your power drops by 1, so my 2 would become 1, and a power of 1 is invisible, so I don't actually have a power anymore. And negative 12x, that's nice and easy to differentiate. I can just drop that x to become minus 12. So I've got my function there. I now know that this here, my gradient is equal to 4, so I'm going to substitute in 4 for the gradient. So 4 is going to be equal to 8x minus 12. I'm going to solve this for x, and that'll give me the x value of my coordinate that I'm looking for. So I need to add 12 to both sides first. So adding 12, so that means 16 is equal to 8x, and from here I'm going to go divide by 8. 2 is equal to x, or x is equal to 2. Now that I've got that, I've got half the puzzle. I now need that y value, and to find the y value I'm going to substitute my x back into my original function. That'll give me the y coordinate that we're looking for. So let's do that maybe just over here. So y is going to be equal to 4x squared minus 12x. Subbing in y, that's going to be 4 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2. You should probably just do this in the calculator in your exam, but I'll do it manually at the risk of doing a math error. So I'm going to have 16 minus 24. So y is equal to negative 8, which is exactly what I'm expecting. So therefore I can state my coordinate. My point would have been 2, negative 8. And because it's asked for a point, you do need your coordinate form there.